Okay, in today's video, we have the Target Advent Calendar. This is the 12 days of skincare. I already did the beauty, which was, spoiler alert, really, really good. So after this video, check out that one. I'm telling you, it's definitely worth the $20. So every year, Target comes out with advent calendars, usually like 1 to 2, and I always pick them up because let me just tell you, they have always been really, really good. Well worth the money. This one here says valued over $73. I think the beauty one was $70. And I used to always get, when Target used to have beauty boxes every month, they were $5 and then went up to like $7. And they were always really, really worth it. And then they stopped doing it and I was upset. But I love the fact they still do these advent calendars. They sell out really, really quickly. So if you want to see what is in here, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is it worth the money this year? Keep on watching. Our co-host is Miss Aura right there, that little blob right there. I filmed a few videos and she's ready to go. Really quickly, I'm not going to say this in every video, but since I am filming, I say it in every video. I started my third channel. It's called I'm Just Ann. Over there, we'll do some live streams and everything, and it'll just be basically live streams. So it's just called I'm Just Ann. It's just me, Ann. I don't know why I find that so funny. This channel will stay beauty related. Then we have the vlog channel, Just Ann's World. And then over I'm Just Ann will just be like live streams where we could talk one-on-one. You can come on panel with me and all of that. So if that's something that you're interested in, then check it out. Give it a follow. We need 1,000 subscribers so I can get monetized. So if you think somebody else will enjoy it, please, please, please share that channel. All right, on to this.
It's about damn time. It's about damn time.
Now, I did order this online. I know they do have them at the store. So I ordered them Wednesday, and it came today, Friday. So they came rather quickly. All right, so let's just start, because I'm excited. Where's number one? Number one is right here by the peppermint candy. Let's see what you be. What you be? Oh, CeraVe. CeraVe. This is a hydration facial cleanser. This is what my son uses all the time. Isaiah, my youngest son, he uses this brand.
It's amazing. You are 100% wrong.
This is normal to oily skin. So he'll definitely enjoy this. All right, we have that. Number 2 is right here, this long, thin one, the green. It is a number 2. Ooh, something from Good Molecules. I did not know Target sells Good Molecules. Okay, what you be? Makeup eye gel. Yeah. That was a little dramatic. But I love anything for the eyes. And I tried this before, and I really do like it. Good Molecules is a really good, affordable brand. And, yeah, I am really glad to get this. All right, I am really excited. Okay. Number 3. Where you at? Where's number 3? Oh, it's right here. It's number 3. Ooh, Curel. So this is an ultra healing, extra dry, tight skin lotion. Okay, and this is a decent size. Like, I'm going to put this right in my pocketbook because if you follow me on my vlog channel, every time we go somewhere and I come back in the car, you know, I always use the hand sanitizer in my hand. They feel dry all the time, right? From washing them or using hand sanitizer. So I always try to keep lotions and stuff in there. So this will definitely go in my pocketbook. Okay, all right. Number 4 is a little raindrop right here. That's number 4. Oh, Cetaphil. Oh, wait a minute. My son doesn't use CeraVe. He uses a Cetaphil. And this is moisturizing lotion. Okay, so we have the cleanser here from CeraVe, and then we have a lotion. All right. Okay. Number 5 is right up here. All right, this is this. What are you? Oh, a nose strip. I don't really get blackheads right here, but let me know, do these work? Have you ever tried them and do they work? Let me know. So you get 1 strip. But that's good. That's okay. It's from Zit Sticka. Oh, wait. No, it's not a nose thing. It's a blemish patch. Okay. If you wore your glasses, you would have knew right away that it is an acne patch, not for your nose. Maybe I should be wearing my glasses. You think? And I know a few of my friends use these, and they do work, so. Okay. All right. Number 6 is this little one right here. You know how they say good things come in small packages. Oh, this is from CeraVe. Is this please let it be an eye cream. What are you? It says new, but what are you? A healing ointment. All right, what is that? And it's definitely not filled up to the top. But I would use this for my lips, to be honest with you, or under my eyes, or like where I have my wrinkles, my smile line, or right here for my nighttime skincare routine. But what is it for? The writing is so small. It says sample. Oh, of course it's a sample size, but all right. We got that. Number 7 is right here. Oh, wow. Okay. Hold the phone. Let me get you out. Oh, my God. Come on. This is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. This is one of my favorites. I'm not kidding. Like, my favorite one is from Keys Soulcare. Okay. But I love cleansing balms, especially this e.l.f. one. They have a moisturizer that's good too, but this cleansing balm, this is what I use for my first step, cleansing balms and cleansing oils to help get my makeup off. And then I'll go in with like a cleanser for my second step. But you have one of these things here. You have that. And then this is just to take, because you only need a little bit, and it's sanitary, just to take a little bit out. But this works amazing. It really, really does. I am definitely happy. Okay, number 8 is up here. This is really good for $20. I'm telling you, every year it's really good. All right, what are you? This is a Bioma Moisturizing Gel Cream. Let's see what you be. So it's a sample, I guess, right? But, okay. I love gel creams. I like gel creams more for during the day. This has Triceramide Complex, Niacinamide, and green tea. It's a boosted barrier, better skin. All right. So we have that. Number 9 right here. Number 9. What are you? What are you? That's a big one. That's what she said.
Oh, you nasty.
This is from Pacific. It's a Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. Oh, I've never tried this. And I always tell you, I have one of those things for the shower head. It has 3 shell thingies that I always put like stuff like this in there so I can try different products, because if I just leave it in my room I forget about them, so I like to put them in my thing, and also the kids use it too. So ooh, okay, I'm happy for this. Even out exfoliate and does this have exfoliating in it? Has AHA, vitamin C, and vanilla. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so we have that. Number 10 is right here. Okay, this is from number 7, a Hydroluminous Day Gel. See, gels and stuff are really good for me. I like during the day, because at nighttime, I want the thickest of the thickest of the thickest cream. And I want to look very oily, where like it'll just slip off your face. That's what I like to go to bed with. You know, during the day, I don't want to look greasy and all that type of stuff. So this is more lightweight. And it's also good like if you want to put makeup and stuff when it doesn't like, you know, your makeup doesn't slide down your face. So I love number 7. I really do. We have number 11 right there.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We have, it's Olay Mini Super Serum. Ooh, 5 benefits in 1. You guys know, I love me some serums. Yes, I do. What? This is definitely a mini low. Okay. But, you know, you get to try this. Oh, I'm really excited for this. I know I keep saying about everything, but I really do. I love skincare now. You would have asked me 2 years ago, even a year ago. But I do. I'm really into skincare. Okay, number 12 is right here. Now, 12, like the last one, some of them have like 24 days. The last one is supposed to be the best one, but that doesn't always happen that way. So what we got is this. What is this? Is this, oh, maybe a makeup thing? I don't know. What is this? Is this like when you wash your face so that water doesn't go down? Because that, oh, that would be wonderful. Because I know it probably looks dumb, but don't you hate that when it does, like the water or what have you, goes down your arm? I don't know what that is, or is it wristbands, or I don't know. You'll have to let me know down below, but I think that's what it's for since it's a skincare thing. That, I'm definitely going to use this. I'm going to keep these right in the bathroom. Yes, I am. In my medicine cabinet. All right, so that's everything. That's what she looks like. Let's recap everything that we got in the skincare advent calendar. So you get these wristbands. You get the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Cleansing Balm, which I really am excited about this. We got the Pacifica face wash. We have a pimple patch. We have, I'm really excited about this, the Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Gel. Used this before, love it. We got the, from Byoma, B-Y-O-M-A. What is this exactly? A gel cream. We got a Curel lotion. I'm going to definitely put this right in my pocketbook. We got a Cetaphil face lotion and then CeraVe moisturizing lotion. We have from CeraVe, this is new, this is an ointment. I'm really happy for that. We got the number 7 day gel, so you get to try that. We have the Olay mini serum, super serum. Is that everything?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Well, yeah, that's everything. So the value is $73 for 20 bucks. Listen, it's a lot of the same stuff. Face wash, you know, lotion, but it's a skincare advent calendar. And it's really to try different brands to see what you like. Not that you get every 12 different items. It's the brands, you know. I don't know. I definitely think this is well worth it. Every year, I never complain. I really have nothing to complain about with their advent calendars. I will leave the link, the direct link in my description box. It's not an affiliate link, nothing like that. It'll take you right to it. These sell out really, really quickly. So try to order them online or go to the store. So far, I've only seen 2 of them. If they come out with any more, you know, let me know because your girl's going to get them. Don't forget to check out my new channel. I'm Just Ann. Subscribe to that if you're interested in live streams and getting to talk to me one-on-one and just having a conversation. Be playing games. There'll be no drama. I mean, listen, if there's times I'm going to talk about something or give my opinion, yes, you know how I am. But it's not going to be drama related like that. Also, check out my vlog channel. And yeah, that's everything. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, thumbs it down, thumbs it up if you like advent calendars, and I'll get some more. Let me know, and let me know which advent calendar I should get and do next. Put it in the description box. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. We're all done, girl. You ready to go downstairs? We're all done. That's all my baby girl. That's just my baby girl. That's just my baby girl. That's just my baby girl. Yeah, yeah, my baby girl. My Ori, my baby girl. Bye.